Hey everyone, welcome to Broken Tool Garage. So, what am I tinkering with this time? I'm going to be going over how to use a product that I've used before. I use it on the tail lights on Phoenix here, which you can watch that video right there. And I went through the steps of how to restore your tail light. So that's buffing out, doing the repainting all the black stuff in there. The product I used is actually the Transtar auto body, and I went with the matte finish instead of a gloss finish, something like that. If you want it glossier, you could use the gloss, but the matte's that good happy medium. So there's a 2-in-1 right here, the trim black finish. Does a really good job. Now, I mistakenly thought that that was a Sim brand, which Sim does make a really good product, but I just wanted to go over that right quick because I was in Paul DeFox, his live chat, and he was using, I think he was using the Sim trim black, and I thought that's what I had, and I mistakenly said that's what I used. So, what am I going to be using that product on? It's going to be on the fan shroud on Phoenix, because Phoenix doesn't have an electric fan, still has the regular clutch fan on there, and that piece needs to be restored. So, I'm going to go through the steps of how to restore that, and like I said, I'll be featuring this product right here, the Transtar, not Sim, although Sim would probably be just as good, a Transtar Trim Restore, the trim black. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, here's the piece I'm talking about. This is the fan shroud. So the fan, this goes onto the radiator, and then the fan goes in there, and this helps it suck through the radiator. So as you can see, it's faded. Here's what it's supposed to look like because someone put a Jiffy Lube sticker on there. So I'm going to be getting this sticker off. I've already washed it just a little bit. The next step is get that sticker off, right? And then come through and do a light scuff. I'm going to use the red Scotch-Brite, which is this right here. I'll be using this to do a light scuff all the way around. Then I'll come through and do a good wash on it with some just some soapy all-purpose cleaner. You can use Purple Power or whatever, and a nail brush, right? So that'll get everything all cleaned up. It'll get all the sanding stuff that I made from the Scotch-Brite. Leave a little bit of a scuff finish on there. Then I'll come through and do the probably a little bit of paint thinner. Wipe it down right quick with that, and then finish up with the Polyvance. And that'll make sure that everything bonds to this real good. Alright, so that's the steps I'm going to do. And I'm going to get at it. Alright, that is done. The stuff dries pretty quick. It's only been maybe 5 minutes, so still got a little bit of wet over in there. But you can see pretty much where it's dried right there. That's going to be about the color it comes out to. And then the fun part, installing it without damaging it, finding all the fasteners. Now this is going on Phoenix, which is a parts car. It didn't have any of this, so this is off of who knows what. I'm just hoping that it fits the Fox body radiator. I did test fit it though. Alright, so all done with it. As you can see, looks much better than what it did before. And that's something that'll last a good while. Be up underneath the hood and give a little bit more pop on there instead of just going on there the way it was, right? So the product I used was a Transtar trim. I guess it's more paint is what it is, right? The matte finish, not the gloss finish. Showed how to prepare this piece, how to clean it up, how to get it ready to put that on there so it'll bond real good. And then I showed you how to apply it as well. So if you like what you see, make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe if you haven't done so already. If this is useful, make sure to share with other people so they can see how to do this as well. Alright, so that wraps this one up. I'll see you next time on Broken Tool Garage.